Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Tim Music. I am the president and CEO here at JB Prince, and today we have a very exciting announcement. This is the North American launch of the new Pacojet 4. It's been out for a little while in Europe, but it's new to us here. It was pending some approvals, and it is now available. So we're gonna unbox one today, something a little new for us, but here we go. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. It looks like when I first get it open here, there is always the Pacojet tips and inspiration envelope. It is sealed. I will open it up at some point. But there you go, that's the first thing that's inside the box. And then there is another smaller box here, which I think would include some of the accessories that are necessary to operate the machine. Just open that up. Voila. Inside there we have the beaker, splash guard, and this is kind of new. These are the all new kind of polycarbonate and clear beakers, if you will, not the stainless anymore. And then you guys are familiar with the splash guard that goes on top. Includes one lid for the beaker as well. Maybe we should swap that. And then bubble wrapped here. Away. And bubble wrapped here we have the classic Pacojet blade, which you guys would know. And then ultimately inside here we have the machine. Now again, it's pretty heavy, so bear with me as I try and get this bad boy out of here. So keep in mind, this thing is pretty heavy. It's, I believe, just about 65 pounds. It might be a little bit more than that even, so I'm gonna cautiously tip this out. Comes with foam inserts, so it's really well protected. And so here we go. So there you go, it's out of the foam, out of the box. This is the brand new Pacojet 4. You'll notice that it's very cosmetically different if you're a previous Pacojet owner. It is a little bit wider, it is slightly bigger. It's no longer an all stainless, but it has kind of a gunmetal finish with a black plastic top. They've changed the logo. In this particular version, some of the noteworthy things are that it is much faster than the old Pacojet. The old version, I believe, ran in 4-minute cycles. This one will run in 90-second cycles for full beakers. It is a full touch screen. It's a lot more intuitive. There was a big criticism, I think, of the older versions of the Pacojet. It was a little limited in terms of it being very clear what you needed to do at certain points. They've addressed a lot of those things. So here it is in all its glory, Pacojet 4, new to North America.